What's this sound coming from my LS? V8. Sounds like a timing chain tensioner or something. Pop the hood so you can hear too. Doesn't sound good though. Sounds like it's coming from the bottom end.